All right, just quickly going to run you through, give you some feedback on when I've used Buddy Punch. This is a tool we use for sort of managing staff and their hours. This is the dashboard, which is really useful. One of the key things we'll use here is the obviously adding employees. Don't add it at the moment. You can click on here. So that's one of the key things which we'll use. Just add employees. Click there. And then no employees have been added yet. You just click on there. Bang all the information in there that you need, name, all that kind of stuff. Save and add the employee. The information is sent out to the employee with their password and username, and they can start punching in and doing whatever you need immediately. One of the chief features which I'll use. Next feature which we'll use is making a schedule. Obviously, this is one of the key things to do. You're giving people their timesheets, but they need to know when to work. So I can make a schedule. Once I've added the employee, I can just add them here, put their shift in, everything like that. Use templates, existing templates, sync with calendars in order to work out time off that they may already have, and then send the schedule out to them. They know when to work. Time off, we can integrate that as well, put a holiday in. So that's another key feature which I'll use. And the third main feature which I will tend to use really is the time card, and probably the reports. I guess that's one of the other ones as well, chief one. And usually the daily hours might be the one which I'll look at just to check to see what's going on. Sometimes the overall scheduling report, to use early and late and things like that. So those are probably the three main features that I'll probably use. In terms of what I really love about it, it's got to be the geofence and the sort of GPS type stuff here. This is just great for sort of controlling, to checking your staff are actually working when they're meant to be working. So you can add a new geofence rule here. It's relatively quick and easy. Name, location, latitude, longitude, and it will all do it all for you and make sure that they're checking in and checking out within that sort of location sort of thing. So the geofence is big, and there's various different features you can have in there as well. GPS settings, obviously you've got to make sure those are set. But I love this whole section, yes. IP address locks as well, adding a new IP address lock, all that sort of stuff, controlling where and when they input. If I was going to improve anything, I would say, yes, maybe the user interface is a little bit dry. So it could be a little bit easier to sort of navigate around. That would be nice. But other than that, it's a good tool, and pretty much like it. Thank you.